Hi everyone, I am Amandeep Kaur, student of ATMC. I am so glad to be here with you today. Now let's get started. I would like to present the great leader, the Terry Go, to whom I consider my ideal. He is not only the businessman, but also the chairman and founder of Foxconn, the world's biggest contract electronic manufacturing company. He is such a great inspiration for me in each and every aspect of life. The great mystery behind his success is only his unique leadership style. Go, 69-year-old, belonged to middle-class family in Taiwan who considered his business as a righteous dictatorship. Today is the Taiwan's richest man with net worth around $7.6 billion. For the constitution of obedient work culture, he always carries out authoritative leadership. As leadership is vital for vision creation and transformation in any field, instead of short term, Go always sought out long term growth. He burns midnight oil not only for the enhancement in production but also for the marketing. For growth in any firm, Go's follow four-stage growth model, which is the best thing of his leadership. The first step is initiation, second is expansion, third one is maturity, and the last one is diversification. The main thing in his leadership is reward and punishment. If someone give extraordinary performance, reward in the form of money or any other gift are given to them. If someone show carelessness in the work or don't do their job properly, then they are punished by go. At some point, we can say he is a domineering leader. There is no democracy in his leadership, only efficiency can be seen in his leadership. In addition to this, he do autocratic and paternalistic leadership as well. These all discussion you can see in this graph or we can say in this picture as well. Here you can see there is no democracy and in his leadership there is no affiliative. This means that he don't make social bond just to progress in his life or can say in his business life. He has various qualities like he has the ability to turn disadvantages into advantages. Incessant learning is his main characteristic, that is never want to waste time by taking break. He also has the ability to utilize the limited resource to create a short-term financial gain and also to plan for long-term utility. And the fourth one is keep growing. Keep growing is important for any corporation to survive. It is his main characteristic. And the fifth one is being focused. Being focused toward goal is his own or can say one of the best quality. Ultimately, we can say his leadership style and characteristic and his desire for micromanagement lead to the success in his career. His success story leaves indelible imprint on the people who consider him as their role model. His first success story is Terrigo's Chinese factories are responsible for iPhone. And second, in 2015, Foxconn created revenue of $136.12 billion and made it the fourth largest IT company by revenue. Moreover, Foxconn also hold the position of world biggest employer. And the third one is in 1996, Go's company, Honhei, or can say Foxconn, building chassis for compact desktop. It was the profitable turning point for Go. After that, his company started to build bare-bone chassis for HP and IBM. When Go deal with Apple Incorporation, it was the beginning of growth and profitability for his company. And there are so many others success stories. Like today, Foxconn is working with high profile companies such as Apple, IBM, Nokia, PlayStation 3, Xbox, and so on as its customer. In addition to this, Foxconn operate assembly factories in China to make Apple signature products such as iPhones and iPad. It is the country's single biggest employer with 1.3 million people as its payroll. With his entrepreneurial ambition and effective leadership, he has changed Foxconn into the international number one EMS corporation. Lots of crises come into his life of business, but he don't give up, even looking for high-tech fields such as artificial intelligence, autonomous driving, in order to reduce the risk of life of people who are working in Foxconn. Not for one, but for the scores of reasons I praise him a lot. And the first one is his will to succeed. His will to succeed also motivates me to get success in each and every type of work that I do. He appears to flourish on work and to be principled and honest, as well as his hunger for growth and achievement. This is the only thing that realized me to believe in hard work. As he is an ambitious businessman, he is still not satisfied with his success of Foxconn and want to make it larger and larger by expanding its into the telecommunication and software development. Apart from his business life, he is also attached to his culture as well. As he said, I can walk away from anywhere if my investment fail, but not Shanxi, where he grew up. This all reveal us how he closed with the traditional and culture. Even he has also stored his family 300-year-old traditional home. Go's main motive is effort, effort, and effort. He is that type of person who never give up. He think like one should not do work only for sake of money. We should do any type of work which is in our hand. Never ever think like it is whether small or big. As well as should not work only for fame. One of the best thing due to which I praise him that he loved that type of work which rise to challenge. Beside it, he gave lavishly to charity. In 2000, Go and his late wife Serena founded an educational charity. He also donated US $454.54 million to National Taiwan University for biomedical engineering projects and a 500-bed cancer hospital. I feel so happy to say that all the big mobile phones and laptops we are using, all credit go to Terry Go. At last, I want to say his leadership also gave lessons to project manager. As we all know, in any organization, leadership is important, not management. A leader must have courage to be a dictator for common good. One should be self-aware regarding his goal and value as Tarigov is. A project manager should never ever show his or her emotion in front of people, or you can say public, and also should have the capability to motivate people and to make decision by himself, should not make long discussion, try to make it qualitative discussion rather than quantitative. Like Go, project manager should possess good negotiation skill. I am not exaggerating if I say how amazing this leader is. So these are the references with the help of which I gather all the information regarding Tarigo. Thanks to all for being here and to listen me with patience. Thank you so much.